Transferring PayPal money to Capitec Bank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open up the homepage of paypal.com. There at the bottom of the page, you can see Link a Bank. So simply tap on the Choose Your Bank option. Now, on clicking, a number of banks in the form of a list have appeared. Here you can also search for any specific bank through the search bar. In our case, let's search for Capitec Bank. But as you see, this bank is not in the list of banks over here. Also, this essentially means that you cannot transfer PayPal money to your Capitec bank account. If Capitec Bank is not displaying as an option in PayPal for linking or withdrawal, it's possible that PayPal may not currently support direct transfers to Capitec Bank. Or there could be a specific restrictions in place. In such cases, you may need to consider alternative methods for withdrawing your PayPal funds. One common approach is to link your PayPal account to a South African bank that is supported by PayPal and then transfer your funds to that bank. From there, you can perform an internal transfer to your Capitec bank account, as long as the other bank allows for it. By transferring money from your PayPal account to Capitec Bank, you can access funds earned through online activities, such as freelancing, e-commerce, or remote work.